Hi, this is Sam with Bulldog Reader. Today we're doing a video inspection of the main line at 3605 South High Drive in Spokane, Washington. So what we're looking at here is the end of the sewer line and the cause of the problem as well. The rest of the pipe actually looks to be in pretty great condition. The only issue is right at the end of the pipe where it connects to the city sewer we have a very large root intrusion. It looks like I worked through this spot twice. You can see the hole I took out of it. So yeah, that spot is definitely pretty rough. You can see there's a pretty big hole. Stuff is definitely going to be draining through it. Everything is open and flowing right now. Realistically, some of the better options would be to try and use what's called Rootex to poison these roots and make sure that they don't grow back. Or we could go back in with what's called a commercial jetter to rip those out. Alrighty, so we're going to keep pulling back here. I'll start explaining some stuff about this pipe. Right now we're in 4-inch concrete is what we're looking at here. What you see right there is what's called a separation. That concrete usually comes in like 2 to 5 foot sections, and in this part where they're connected at the seam, one pipe has actually started to settle a little bit inside the ground, and you can see on the bottom right hand corner of the screen that there is just a little bit of lip right there, but stuff still seems to be draining through it pretty okay. Right now the bottom of the screen is actually kind of the middle. Bottom middle of the screen is where the bottom of the pipe is what I meant to say. Alrighty, pulling back here. Still on that 4-inch concrete. You can see some swirl marks in the line from where my cable was and what my cable was hitting. This line is about 120 feet long. We are hitting about 100 feet right now. See another minor separation right there. Those are just tiny, nothing bad to worry about at all. And it looks like right here is just another seam. It looks pretty normal. It doesn't look like any settlings occurred or anything like that. Looks like right here in the concrete, what it's looking like is there seems to be a pretty big hole right there. Stuff can't catch onto that and whatnot. That's more of a separation than it is a hole, but you can definitely see that water is kind of sunk into that spot. So stuff can get caught in there, roots can go through that. And then right here around 85 feet we switch to green PVC, which is most likely that concrete's inside the street, and then this PVC is actually on the property itself. And this is where it switches right here. Things I'm looking for in white PVC is if it was possibly settled wrong or anything like that, then when it was put inside the, when it was put in the ground and it was bedded, it could be bedded wrong, could have been bedded on top of a rock. You'll see cracks, you'll see very large indents, and stuff where things can be catching on. You want to make sure everything is obviously draining downhill. If it's not, you'll see a standing pool of water. And right now I'm just not seeing it. Sorry, my camera screen is a little dirty from pushing through this thing, but you can still make it out pretty well. Pulling back here. So far I'm not seeing any big issues at all with this PVC pipe. In about 60 feet right here. So still in this 4-inch PVC pipe, so far I haven't really seen any too big of issues with it at all. Once again, no cracks or anything like that at all. coming up on 40 feet here. Yeah, overall condition of the pipe so far looks great. The only issue is where those roots are intruding in right at the end of the line. Realistically, you might want to try and get those cabled out once a year so they don't grow in and cover up the pipe like it has been. So if we go around a turn in here, and then what we're looking at is just a little sleeve of green PVC, and right here is about where we're switching from the stuff that's inside to the green PVC outside, and we're looking at ABS. It's 4-inch ABS. This is what we install in homes nowadays. This stuff's pretty good. Don't really see too many issues with these too often. You're looking for cracks. Pretty much the exact same thing as PVC. Looks like we're coming around a little turn here. Yeah, ABS is in pretty great shape. Right now what we're doing is coming out of the pipe I did my video inspection from in the wall right here. And I'll see if we can get a better picture of that. That's the pipe that I did my video inspection of the wall from that clean out right there. And once again, this is Sam with Bulldog Rooter. Thank you.